Gary here from MrG Shave, back for another Friday head shave. Today's video is going to be a little different. This is head shave number 77, I think. Let me have a quick look. But it's going to be slightly different in that I've received a parcel and I decided I was going to do an unboxing today. So let's just have a look. No, it's a head shave number 78. Head shave number 78. Yeah, so I've been talking about receiving some brushes from Yaqi, and a Body Brush have been back in contact, and they are going to send me something, but they haven't sent anything yet. Anyway, regardless of that, I've received the Yaqi box. I did, without thinking, I opened it, but I've not opened any of the contents. So this is the box. So there you go. And I did open it, and so I'm just going to open it up and show you everything that's inside. So yeah, this is going to be interesting. Right, so that's just packaging, I think. Nothing else in there. That's fine. Wow, there's quite a few bits and pieces in here. So I'm going to start with the first one. There's no labelling on the box, so I don't know what's in here. So let's open this up. This looks like a brush. It's an Evil Zebra. So that's going to be a giveaway. That matches. It's exactly the same brush. This is my Evil Zebra brush. So that's a brand new Evil Zebra brush for my 750 subscriber giveaway. I've got a funny feeling when I sent them a message to say don't send me these because I already own them, they're probably going to have sent all the ones that I already own, but that's no problem. I'm very happy with that. I've already reviewed these brushes. The reason I'm happy to receive stuff from Yaqi is I've used it for quite a while, used their products for quite a while. Haven't used any of their razors, which looking in that box I might have some razors in there. So that'll be interesting. But yeah, I'm happy to receive stuff from them because I've bought these brushes myself and I've used them and I like them. And so I'm more than happy to support Yaqi with that. Or is it Yachi? I don't know whether it's Yachi or Yaqi. Sig, I think, did some research and found out it's pronounced Yachi. But there we are. So that's the first brush. Let's have a look. This is another unlabeled box. This is, yeah, I think this is what they've sent me. This is what they've sent me, duplicates of everything I already have. I'm almost certain of that. So this is slightly different in that my brush this is my brush, the White Knight, and this is the brush they've sent me, which is a tuxedo knot instead of a straight black knot. So synthetic. So that will also be used in a giveaway. I already know what these are like, so yeah. I think there was a little misunderstanding, but that's no problem. No problem. I mean, these are all brushes that I already own, and I'm happy to review. Yeah, this is a duplicate again. So if I put that back in there, so this brush is my brush, and this is the new one. No difference. Yaqi, this is the Cavern 24mm. So I've got lots of goodies to give away. So I'm over the moon with this, absolutely over the moon. So let's see which one is the duplicate. So I'm opening up this one. Yeah, Atlantis. So another Atlantis, and again, I used that one recently, that's not up there. Let's have a look, where did I put my Atlantis? So that's my Atlantis, and this is the new one from Yaqi. So another giveaway. That's fantastic. So all of these will be brand new in their boxes. So that's 4 giveaways so far, which is fantastic. But they will be split between the 750 giveaway and the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So these are all for my giveaways at the moment. Another unlabeled box. Let's see what's in here. So yeah, it's the Barber Pole. Now this is interesting. My Barber Pole has seen better days, so it looks like this. This Barber Pole has got a slightly different colour to it. I don't know whether you can make that out, but they really are different in colour. Let's just try and... This has got much more cream in it. This is pure white, and this is cream. So both the same brushes. I would say, yeah, slight design change. If you look at the bases, this one is a smaller base than this one. And this is different resin that they've used, or plastic, I'm not sure. But yeah, let's get them round so they're both the same. But yeah, that's interesting. So that's mine. This is the giveaway. So just a misunderstanding of communication. I sent them a list of the brushes that I already own, and I think they must have thought that was the list of the brushes I wanted. So that's fine. Hang on, paper's come off, so let's wrap that up again. I'm over the moon because effectively I've already reviewed these brushes. The only brush that's slightly different is this Barber Pole brush. It's got a slightly different, obviously using different material, and because the handle has got a slightly different design to the one that I already own. So that's packaging, lots of packaging in here, loads of packaging. Right, let's have a look. No, I have no idea what this is. DLC Yaqi. I'm guessing this looks like a handle. It's like Christmas, isn't it? No, I definitely haven't got any of these. Oh, that's a nice handle. Wow. I'll have to look up and see. Look at that, it's like a rocket. That's a stunning handle. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love that, and the knurling is really good. Right, so I'm guessing there is going to be some heads in here as well. But there's another handle. I'm going to open this one first. This is, I think, a shorter handle. And this is nice as well. Look at that. I'll put the names up and the descriptions up here once I've done the research. I mean, this is the first time I've seen what's in the box, so I have no idea what these are called. I'm sure some of you will put the names in the comments, but as I say, I'll put it up there. Right, next box. This must be a head, I'm guessing. Certainly feels like it and looks like it. This is the tissue that they've wrapped it in. Wow. Okay, so that's the head. Look at that. So I would put that maybe on, let's just try it on this one. Put it on one of the handles. So that's the razor there. Now it's got sort of a matte finish, a machined finish. It's not smooth, it's not polished. Very nice, very nice. If I take the handle off, I can show you the underside. I don't know which head this is, but again, if I find out, I will put the details up here. But the underside, I don't know whether you can see the machine markings, but that's cool. And then that's the cap. Looks nice. And that's the base plate. Very nice. Be interesting to see how these shave. I won't be using it on my head shave today. I've already decided I'm going to use the Henson today. Right, let's have a look. This is interesting. Is this the same? Oh no, this is a different head. So, let me show you that. So those are the two heads. That's the end sort of look to it. And funnily enough, this is the razor I'm going to use for my head shave today. And they look like very similar designed ends. There's a definite angle. This has got a slightly thicker head, but that looks great. I might, well no, I'm going to use the Henson. Next head shave will be this. So I'm just trying to decide. I think I'll put this handle on this one. So there it is. That's beautiful. Look at that. Really stunning handle and head. So, one more box and then we're empty. Empty box. It says DLC Yaqi. This looks like it's another razor. Oh wow, it's an adjustable. That's fantastic. Do you know, I've got the Progress and I've got the Gillette Slim, vintage Gillette Slim 1965 razor. They're what I consider proper adjustable razors, and this is the third. I don't have, as I say, many of these adjustables. These are great. So it goes from one, I don't know whether I can get that in close enough, but one, and it just goes round like so, and it goes round to 6. So there you go. That's fantastic. Now let's just see if okay, so I don't need to take or loosen the cap. There's no clicking, it just turns all the way around. But yeah, that is fantastic. Does it come apart? I have no idea how this works. Ah, okay. So the bottom comes off. So it's a two-piece razor. There you go, and that's the base plate, and that's the cap. Is there a special way? Are there any markings on here? No. So I'm guessing this cap can go on either way. Now the handle actually twists off here as well, but I didn't, you know, let's just turn that back down to 1. So yeah, this bit actually comes undone, but I don't know whether it's supposed to do that or why that is. Maybe somebody who's got one of these can tell me what that is. But yeah, fantastic. Over the moon with that. Thank you very much, Yaqi. Really, and I think it's Ginny that sent it. Let me just check. Let me just check. Do you know, I can't find the... Okay. Grace Chen. Thank you, Grace. Much appreciated. You did send me copies of everything that I already own in terms of brushes, which is absolutely brilliant because I can give them away to my subscribers. So all of these brushes will be giveaways. I'll try these razors and I may give 1 or 2 of them away, or I may keep them. I don't know. But we'll see. But all the brushes will go to subscribers in giveaways, and I, you know, ideally, I will be checking. You know, when I do the giveaways, I'll be checking to see if you're a subscriber, and that's the way I enter people now. I make up a list of my current subscribers, and I actually just copy and paste that off a spreadsheet into the subscriber picker app, and that's how I pick my how I do it now. But you also will also need to make a comment, probably hashtag MrG. But that is for my 750. I think I'm at 730 subscribers now, so if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, and you know, consider subscribing to my channel. It does help my channel grow, and it does give me an indication that I'm doing well, which, you know, my channel's grown steadily from 2 years ago. I just realised I'm past my 2-year mark now. It was on the 19th of January was my 2-year anniversary, so it's too late to do the anniversary shave. But at the end of the day, I thank everybody that supported my channel. So with that said, I'm going to stop here. This will be a separate video, and then I'll do the head shave video. All right, bye now.